Guys, what's up guys, we back again. Just decided to make another video immediately after that one. We back with another juice, as you know. Another system as usual. So yeah, it's hybrid, as you know. It's FX hybrid on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you need me. On Google you can just search FX hybrid SA. You will find me eventually. Or this light is killing my eyes. Let me find my glasses first. Can I get my glasses? There you are. Okay, awesome. Yeah, on Google you can just search FX Hybrid SA or Project FX SA. If you search Project FX SA, it will lead you directly to our Facebook page, every social platform, you know. So yeah, let's get down to today's business, guys. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that I keep posting and get motivated to post these systems and make them available for you guys to download. So yeah, today I'll be showing you guys how to spot chat patterns using this system. I know some of you might be familiar with it, some of you might not, but then you don't know how to use it. So I'm gonna make it available for download for everyone, whether you know it or you don't know it, but it's a need in a way because it helps me and everyone I'm working with to spot chat patterns quickly with ease, actually without stress. So I'll just do that quickly right now using the same chat that I was using, GBPUSD. This okay, this is the system, guys. Here's the system. So actually there are some chat patterns you cannot spot with just an eye. You know, like I'm that type of a trader who spot chat patterns with an eye, but at some point I can see that now, man. Sometimes I miss trades because I can't spot some of these chat patterns. So I'll just show you now on this video. I think you can even see them right now. If you're a well experienced chat pattern trader, I think you should see them now. You should see them now. Okay, so I'll just start here. I'll just start here at the top. As you can see here, this head and shoulder is not perfect. It's not perfect. But with this system, you can definitely spot that these are shoulders and this is a head, and you can eat from there. You get my point? You can eat from there instead of fearing for a retracement here. You know, can be here saying that, yo, this thing might go back up there, never come back down. But you also know it's GBPA, it can surprise you. So if you don't have these tools in your exposure, you're in high risk. So yeah, guys, so this is how it works. It shows you spot chat patterns. This is how I use it actually in most cases. It helps me spot chat patterns so I can swing along with the trader and collect some pips. Can use it to swing and collect some pips. Nice. And an H4 chat. Very nice. So yeah, in others, as you can see, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. But with the system you can see it. You can see it that this is a head and shoulder. It's not perfect, guys, but you can see it with the system. So here it's head distortion. I call this distortion, and then these are shoulders. These are shoulders, and this it has engulfed. If you know your candlesticks, this has been engulfed, and it will eventually go up. It doesn't have a choice. It's called a market reaction. So yeah, that's what it's called. So back again, price action traders, you know yourselves, that's what we usually do. Okay, I see an entry point. Okay, so yeah, here we have double top, came all the way from the bottom here, went up here. Let me just do this was the bottom part, and then this way it changed direction, came down here, and then went back up again, tested the same price, confirming our head and shoulder. So according to our system, as you can see here, sorry about that, as you can see here, there's a double top, guys. There's a double top confirmation. There's a double top confirmation, creating an M, moving on the downslide. So if you have your trend line, you're still safe, because now you can wait for a sniper entry. At this point, you can wait for a sniper entry so that you can enter with ease, knowing that we're going downwards. So another thing I want to show you guys is a trick that I use actually. It's a double top, as you can see. This is my trend line. If you did pure maths or application mathematics, you can see that, okay, these are two parallel lines, and then this is Z format, this is Z form. So obviously we come all the way from the top, going down, and then continue the trend. So I'm just going to show you the trick that I use with this system, specifically with this system. So if I put my trend line here, it talks to me, it says something. So we went up, we went down, created a resistance area. When we came back up, we broke that resistance area, it became support. We played around here, so it was support versus resistance, and then we break the resistance, we break the support again, then the new support became the resistance, and then that's when we went down to this previous support. I hope you guys understand what is actually happening here. So it's like this is advanced, actually it's too advanced, but I hope you guys understand or see actually where I'm trying to lead you guys. I hope you can see where I'm trying to lead you. So yeah, this is how the system works. It helps me, can also help you a lot when it comes to spotting chart patterns. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm just trying to make these videos as short as possible, and please don't try to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you become notified when I post another video with another system to help you in your trading. So thank you very much for spending or taking your time on watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.